As you can see, the weather's changed a bit. The leaves are disappearing. And we've got an update on one of the tiny cabins here. Let's go inside and check it out. Alright, this is one of the cabins. This one's 95% done. There might be a couple little things that still need done. But this is about it. Got the bed and the heater, some stands, a table. Got the floor all in. There's a ceiling fan in here. You know, the mini fridge, microwave. And it should be pretty cozy. Now these cabins here, these are small because these are on campsites, so there's certain regulations what we can and can't do with them. There can't be plumbing in here, so there's a community bathroom. But just for an outing, maybe a luxurious camp outing or something, these would be pretty good. So that's it. When we get the other one all finished up, we'll give an update on that one.